Hi everyone, today I'm going to build a timer app in JavaScript, HTML, CSS. Overall, it's a good exercise to improve your JavaScript, HTML, CSS skills and get knowledge in global function setInterval. Let's take a look at the design. As you can see, here is time and 3 buttons for starting time, stop it, and reset button will just place 0 for time. Let's get started with the application. First of all, I need to add index.html file and press exclamation mark and to get my template. And I'm changing the title for timer app. And now I can build body HTML. First of all, I need some timer container, and inside I'll put time div and 3 buttons. Button. Okay. And first button will be start with ID start. The second stop with ID stop. And the last one reset with ID reset. Okay, and now I can add styles. CSS and file for script. JS. Okay, and now we can include this files into our template. Link styles and script or source script. And I'm going to place here defer to start executing script after HTML is ready. And let's go to the styles and add some body will be display full length and justify content center. And we need styles for our container. Let's align items by center and make some margin top like 50 pixels. And also we need some styles for our buttons. Time button, and also add some padding, 10 pixels, 20 pixels. And I'm going to start the server, live server, and take a look. We can add the initial value for our time. It will 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, and we can add some paddings for our element. 10 pixels, 20 pixels. Okay, and now I'm going to add some background and border. Border radius 20 pixels and also here border radius 10 pixels. Now let's take a look at the design. So we can change background color like this, and also here place some border 1 pixel solid green. Okay, and as you can see we have timer. We can increase font size to 2 root element, and here font size 1.5 root element, and we can add some margin here. Margin 5 pixels. Okay, looks good. We can decrease the font size a bit. Okay, good. And now we can build our code, JavaScript code. First of all, I need some variable for time element, and I'm going to use document get element by id. Took my time id. Okay, and are going to use setInterval function, and we need to create interval id to store id of interval, and also we need some variable to store our timer time, and also we need a variable to check if timer running active is active and false initially. So, and now I need some function to show content, display content, show time, and I'm just going to time element text content assigned to my time for now, and now I need some functions for start, and so if the timer is active, then we need just return, and okay, if it's active, then just return. If timer is not active, then we make it active, like true, and we need to by start our interval. Let's create some const interval, and it will be 1 second. We'll update our time every second, and then set interval, and we need some handler and time. So handler will create function, and time will use our interval. Okay, and so every second we are going to increase our time by interval, and also set, and also we're going to show our time, just update our time, and we also need function for stop, and we need to also check if it's active, then we need to stop it as active false, and we need variable setInterval will return interval id number, and we need to store it into a variable. Let's make this white and use this interval id to store our interval, and after starting we need to clear interval and using our interval id, and also we need function on reset. Reset will just call stop and set our time to 0, and now we need to add event listeners to our buttons. I'm going to use document get element by id our button start button, and add event listener for click event, and function will be start. Okay, and now I need event listener for stop, and function will be start, and also for reset, and function will be reset. Okay, let's check the code. Start started, stop, it stopped, start again, reset don't work because we need to just show time, and we need to format our time to look like hours, minutes. For that, I'm going to create function format time. Call this function format time, and it will take current time. Let's give some other name. Initial time, and then we need to take date and use our initial time in milliseconds. Okay, to assume string new date, and I also need return and to okay, we got it to string, and I need to return, and I need to slice the time. It will return me the time in hours, minutes, seconds. Let's take a look. Start. The timer started. Now I can stop. Start again. Stop. Reset. As you can see, the time is 0. Start again. Let's wait for 10 seconds to make sure that seconds work. You can check if minutes work. I'll put the comment in the description. I'll put the link to my source code on GitHub, and it works. Let me check again. Okay, reset, start, stop. Okay, everything is working. So that's all. If you like the video, subscribe to my dev web blog channel. Thank you. Goodbye.